Composition in landscape art is really about the arrangement of what you see in front of you. And it's something that very often someone who doesn't know about art will be taken by surprise. Because if you actually transport them in front of the same view that they know from a painting, they'll suddenly see, well, that tree isn't actually there. That mountain isn't as big. Artists take poetic and artistic license with what they see in front of them, and the driving factor behind that is composition. In other words, they have to think of a landscape which for us is huge, peripheral vision. They're fitting it into, usually, a square format. If you have a square format, you have sides, you have top and bottom, and that landscape has to fit into it in the best possible way to evoke what you're seeing in front of you. If you're looking at a television, you take what you got. If you're painting, you can make it into what you want.